Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. When you crave for biryani and you don't have time for the traditional method of cooking, we have a solution. We present Express Mutton Biryani using a pressure cooker. A foolproof recipe for making delicious and fluffy grained biryani. We present new videos every Saturday. Kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Looking at the grains, no one can tell it has been prepared using a pressure cooker. It is nowhere different from dum biryani. For the ingredients, please check the description section. To start with, first I will wash and soak the rice for around half an hour. Meanwhile, I'll heat up little amount of cooking oil. Then I'll add the whole dry spices and fry till they are aromatic. Then I'll add the thinly sliced onion and fry till it is brown in color. Then I'll add ginger and garlic paste and fry till the raw smell of ginger and garlic fades off. Then I'll add finely chopped tomatoes which I've deseeded. Then in goes 2 green chillies. Then I'll add red chilli powder, coriander seed powder, turmeric powder, cumin seed powder, and homemade fragrant garam masala powder. Then I will mix it and fry for a couple of minutes. Then I will add in the yogurt. Make sure the flame is low at this stage. Then I'll squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Then in goes the mutton pieces, followed by adding salt. Then I'll mix it thoroughly and fry for 4 to 5 minutes. Then I will add measured quantity of water. This is very important. Then put the lid on and cook for 4 to 5 whistles or till the mutton is soft and tender. Once the pressure is released, I'll open up the lid of the pressure cooker. Then I'll add the rice. At this stage it has to be made sure the rice has been well drained and the water should be just covering the rice. Then I'll put the lid on and cook again for 2 whistles. Then allow the cooker to release the pressure. And once you open, here is the reveal. Just look at the grains. It is nowhere different from dum style biryani. So super fast and super duper easy. I'll garnish it with chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves, followed by adding little fried onion. This is optional. Then little amount of melted ghee. And for the authentic touch, I would like to add few strands of saffron. This is again totally optional. Now the biryani is ready for serving. Try this recipe and let us know your comments. Please click the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.